students, I hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, I'll be going through the topic of conservativeness of electrostatic forces, which is a topic of chapter number 2 NCERT class 12th. Now, in order to discuss whether electrostatic forces are conservative in nature or not, we need to remember the concept of potential and potential difference, which we have derived in the later section. As you have also seen that we have also calculated the work done in moving a net charge in the field of a point charge in moving from one point to another. Hence, in order to prove that whether electrostatic forces are conservative in nature or not, we need to prove that work done in moving a test charge between 2 points. Between 2 points means in taking a point charge from one point to another through any path and bringing that same point from that point to again the initial point to any arbitrary point is zero. That is, we need to prove that work done in moving a test charge in a closed loop is zero. Now remember one thing, both the path need not to be same. The path onto which you are taking a charges from one point to another. It is not a necessary condition. The paths you are taking should be same. Both the paths taken by you should be different. Now let us go through a diagram and prove this concept. Consider 2 points. Let us suppose this is a point A. Consider another point, a point B. Consider potential of point A as VA. Consider potential of point B as VB. Now let us suppose you are taking a charge from A to B across any path. It is not necessary that you should draw this path. Any path can be taken. This path can also be taken like this. Okay? I am taking an arbitrary path into which I am taking a test charge from point A to point B. Therefore, by the expression we have derived, work done in taking a test charge from point A to point B is equals to negative integral of E dot dl in taking it from A to B, which can be expressed as VB minus VA. Let this be equation number 1. So I have written this equation with the concept of work done which we have derived in the later section. You can refer my previous video for going through this derived expression. This is already a derived expression. Okay? Chalo. Now let us suppose the charge which is initially now at point B. I am taking this charge point B again back to point A. What I was explaining in my theoretical concept is that you can observe both the paths are different. The path in moving from A to B is different as that of coming back from B to A. Both the paths need not to be same. Paths can be different. Now, from this time we are taking the same point charge from B to point A. Now let's start. This time work done in taking a test charge from point B to point A is given as again a negative integral of E dot dl, which can be expressed as VA minus VB. Let this be equation number 2. Now adding both equations 1 and 2, that is work done in going from A to B and work done in going from B to A, and directly adding the equation which shows work done in going from A to B, work done in going from B to A. VB minus VA plus VA minus VB. VB get cancelled, VA get cancelled. Now this represents the net work done, which comes out to be 0. Hence, we have just proved that net work done in moving a test charge in a closed loop through any path is 0. Again, we have just proved that taking a test charge once along a closed loop between any path, we have just proved that it comes out to be 0. This was the actual requirement of this concept. Hence, with this we can say that electrostatic forces are of conservative nature. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.